Hi, this is Jen with In One Reviews. And yesterday I was walking through Walmart and I saw Pop'ems on the shelf, so I thought I'd give them a try. These are little pretzel bites. They're a little round ball, and this one is a white cheddar flavor. Now, I love the flavor. I think it's vibrant, and the size is kind of fun and cute too. The taste of the pretzel was a little bit thicker than a pretzel rod, so it wasn't really my favorite. I kind of like them light and crispy, so it was thicker than I thought it would be. But these do come in a lot of flavors like sea salt and golden mustard barbecue. It's a nice alternative if you like pretzels. I would give it a try and pop one in your mouth. Until the next one.